Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this box, which I'm not really sure what it is. I have received it to review it. It's written on it soundtrack. First of all, let's remove the packaging of it. So there's a plastic cover. Let's just get rid of this first. There we go. Right, so we have a box in here. Really nice quality box, I would say. Really small footprint. It's an MP3 player. Interesting. I haven't seen one for many years already. So, very nice box. Really high level quality looking. Let's open it up. So, there we go. So, what have we got in the box? We have a user manual for it. Pretty big one. It's actually like a booklet than a user manual. We have got different languages here, starting with English. So it's a USB-C charger, MP3, interesting. And looks like pretty simple actually based on this information here. What else? So the battery is 2500 milliamp hours, 1 amp USB-C, around 2.5 hours of charging time, and music can be played for 15 hours and video 8 hours. That's a very big claim. Interesting. Let's check it out. Also, hardware is Android 13 based and 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB ROM. What else? So it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and USB-C, and also 3.5mm audio jack. Around 185 gram. It can be connected to Windows, well, XP no one pretty much use nowadays, Vista 7, 8, 10, 11, Mac OS 10. Probably they mean 10 and above. Pretty good, looks good to me. Let's check out what we have in the box. So we have the accessories here. Interesting box. What is this? So there is a small piece of glue actually in the box, which is strange, but anyway. So this is what we have got. So there's a headphone. Look like this. So there's a cover for it as well. That's a very nice idea, really good idea. Comes with a USB-C. It comes with a headphone and it's a cover. That's actually the cover of our MP3 player. Very interesting. So there are a couple of fingerprints on it, so I'm pretty sure they are not mine. But on the other hand, the package is very new. So really nice idea. So it has a screen cover and it has a cover as well itself. So this is our MP3 player. Very nicely packaged. Really like it. Let's take it off. Right. This is how it looks like. Very nice. So it's a kind of glass. I see one scratch actually here. Again, you see it's like a design thing. Also some impurity here in the back cover here. I'm not sure it's a cover. Oh, there's a cover. He says a plastic cover can be removed. So plus minus turn on. There's also USB-C. There's a TF card as well. Let me see if there is a TF card. Yes, there is. 128 GB even. Not bad. Really nice. And we have got the audio jack. Also the volume and power, I would say. And that's it. Let's turn this on. I hope there's a battery. Yes. Great. Let's just check this out. So it's an Android based system, so it's Android 13 based on the information, so not the fastest Android. I really like the packaging and also the cablings and so on. So it's a USB-A to USB-C port, and the headphone looks pretty good. Nice headphone as well. And there we go. Tuesday, July 8th. That is interesting. So it's actually stuck on the screen somehow. Yeah, it's stuck. Well, the system somehow died. I didn't get any warning on the battery. The battery was supposed to be full. But anyway, let's try. Maybe it doesn't have any battery. I would connect this. I think I have my iPad charger here. Let's just connect this and see if that's a problem. Let's try to turn it on again. Well, no success on this either. Okay, there we go. So it's on. I'm not sure if this was a battery or what was it, but usually these things, they are not delivered with empty batteries, so that wonders me a little bit. Usually they have like half charged batteries inside. Given that is a new product, so cannot be that empty. Let's see. What else we have in the box? Nothing, empty. So the cover also, okay. Well, the battery is full. That really wonders me how it died then. Alright. So after 3 tries, finally it turns on. So this is pretty much how the system looks like. I haven't set up anything, I just turned on the device. Right. Let's see if we can increase the brightness of the screen first of all. I do not see an option at this on the Android side. Let's see if we can do it from here. Display, brightness level 50%. Let's go up. There we go. So this is the max brightness here. So it's just an Android system, I would say. Let's give a try to some music. It has Apple Music, it has Spotify. I'm not sure if any of them work. Let's try Spotify. Well, we need to log in here, so I do not have an account. Okay, then let's go to maybe YouTube or something else. I would say it's not the fastest device, but also it's not that bad. Let's go to the system settings then, first of all. Storage. We have got 17 gigabyte used out of 128. And we have a TF card as well, actually. So I'm wondering where we can see that. There we go, SD card. So you can have indeed like external storage. Not bad. So let's see what else we can do. It's actually pretty much like a phone minus calling functionality or the internet through the SIM card. Really nice design. I like it. I mean, like, I'm not sure what's the price of this device, but I find it quite nice in terms of the design. So I will be working with it a little bit just to have a better feeling about it. One thing which I usually have a bit problem with a cheaper phone or general electronics is the distance between the screen until the lights under the screen. Basically, this is LCD screen. And in this particular case, it's not that bad. So it doesn't look the cheapest device ever. It's okay. Just the brightness is very low, I would say. I expected a little bit more. Let's remove the cable. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, or if you want me to review any products. Please get in touch with me. I'm happy to do so. And make sure you like and subscribe, because I always have new products reviewed every day. Make sure you stay tuned. All right, see you in the next video. Until then, thank you and bye bye.